You guys survived the safari ride. All right, we're about to go on a wild safari ride here. The Safari Trek. Safari Trek. Safari Trek. Oh. Buckle in the Safari Trek.
Daddy, you can drive too.
We get to both drive.
Wait, do we drive by ourselves?
Look.
Do we drive by ourselves?
No, there's a track. It doesn't matter if you turn the steering wheel or not. Woo! See, look, we're not doing anything. Bye. We'll see you guys at Jurassic Park. Do 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 do. Oh, that was undramatic. We stopped. Do 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 do.
Like the video.
Oh, we stopped again.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Get notified.
That's what I said. That's what it's like. We're on the tracks. We're headed in the jungle. Jurassic Park. Yeah, we're getting a Jeep. It's the first exhibit.
Drive this with no hands.
You're driving here. Get your feet off of there, you crazy. Hey, look who's behind us. Old Mommy and old Tiffany. Kane called both of you old.
You're 200.
What do we got going on? What do we got going on here? Dude. Oh.
That hurts.
What do we got?
Oh no. Daddy.
Oh, look, it's a baby hippopotamus. It's a mommy hippopotamus.
Daddy.
There's elephants over here. Oh my gosh, that monkey stole that Jeep. Ah, we got wet. It's a water ride. I was not prepared. Mommy and T are still stuck out back there. There's the roller coaster we went on earlier.
Yeah.
This is nice and relaxing. Just a little... the elephants and stuff. I still think Mommy and T haven't gone yet. Did you guys break the ride? Ooh, what are these, Kane? Ostrich, yeah, good job. And what's over to our right? Baby giraffes. Kane, you're right. Giraffes. Ooh, look at this big giraffe. Is this mommy or daddy giraffe?
Mom.
Mommy giraffe? Prairie dogs? Prairie dogs! What's up?
Lion.
Where's lions?
Daddy.
Oh. Oh, you can hear them roaring. And baby lion cubs! Oh no, one fell off! One fell over! Costosaurus? Yeah, that's closed. Boo! That looks like the most fun roller coaster here, too. It's like closed for a couple months, it looks like, they said.
Why is there a zebra?
Because we're on a safari trek? That's why there's a zebra. And a zebra!
Like the video. Subscribe. Get notified.
Oh, there's another zebra! Surprise zebra! He's gonna get you! Oh no! He almost got you! And that's the end of Safari Trek. Did you like Safari Trek? How many thumbs up would you give it? 1 or 2? 2 thumbs up? What was your favorite animal to see? Oh, 4. What was your favorite animal? The elephant that scored us? Yeah.
Thank you.
You guys survived the safari ride. Well, did you get wet from the elephant? Yeah, that was fun.
Thank you for watching.